One more test to show and prove. Chevy Impala LT, we're doing an alternator output test. As you can see, that's the alternator tester there. Alternator's not registering. That's the battery check. You have good, low, and bad. Yours is reading bad. You got red on red, positive on positive, negative on negative. Every time. Alternator doesn't even register, so what I'm going to do is turn it off. Actually, I'm going to unplug these first, take these off, and put the multimeter back on it. We're reading 11.26 volts on an alternator, on a 12-volt alternator. 13-volt alternator, we're reading 11.25. Remember that number. Go here, turn the car off. Battery lights on, by the way. Fans are staying off for some reason. I noticed last time when I turned the key on and off, there they go. Fans turned off. For some reason, your fans are staying off. Okay, now, the alternator was pumping 1125. Your battery is actually producing more energy than your alternator is. What I would suggest is getting a new alternator in which you already have a new alternator. What I did was follow this wire all the way to the alternator, tested it straight from there. There's nothing coming off the alternator, bro. Nothing. All the power is coming from the battery. No reading was taken from that bolt there, which is the positive bolt for the alternator. The only code you have is fuel pressure regulator, in which the regulator is actually unplugged because the plug is broken, as you can see. That slides right off. It's got oil on it. Let's look at the terminal. Terminal's got oil all in it. Funky little wire. I probably wouldn't replace it. I would just replace that part there, in which to replace the plastic part, we've got to chop it somewhere there. Otherwise, this thing isn't plugging in correctly. That's plugging in there. There should be a snap. So as you can see, when I release it, when I take my hand off of it, it does this. It's sliding in and out. With vibrations from the motor, that's definitely going to come back unplugged. So on the fuel pressure regulator, it says to diagnose a bad fuel pressure regulator, follow these steps. Locate the fuel pressure regulator, pop the hood, find the fuel pressure regulator, inspect for external damage, visually inspect the regulator for any signs of damage such as leaks, cracks, or broken connections. What we have is a broken connection. There's no leaks, there's no cracks, there's only a broken connection. That's got to be the problem of the fuel pressure regulator. And there it is there. That's one of them. I didn't type the year in. So it says your symptoms are engine misfires. The engine may misfire on idle or during acceleration due to incorrect fuel pressure. Okay, let's go into this 10 signs of a bad or failing fuel pressure regulator. 1, engine misfires. 2, loss in acceleration. 3, of course, we got that dreaded check engine light. 4, possible fuel leak, in which I don't smell any gas on yours. This one says spark plug cover with black debris. Yuck. Engine backfires. Number 8, vacuum hoses filled with gasoline. 9, gasoline smell from dipstick. So if we can smell gas from the hoses, then that means it's going through the system. Let's see what this dipstick smells like. It smells like gas, bro. That thing smells like gas. So your oil is probably contaminated with gasoline too. So, hey. It's hot out there, huh? This is Billy, your mobile mechanic. I'm at 909-486-6891.